Hi, today we're having a hill climb rally. The participating vehicles are, first, a white sports car, second, a tractor, third, a big truck, fourth, a yellow sports car, fifth, a red small car, and finally, a white ambulance. The race officially begins now. First up is the white ambulance climbing the hill. Oh my God, it flipped over. Attempting to climb again. It finally reached the top smoothly. Next is the yellow sports car. Its engine roars so loudly. No problem. It also made it to the top successfully. The blue big truck starts up. Although it was difficult, it eventually reached the finish line. Next up is the Aurora Green tractor. Its body color is really beautiful. Let's see how it performs. It also faced some difficulties along the way. No problem, it made it up. Next is the last one, the white sports car. Oh, it flipped over. Trying again. Great job! It made it!